Hello, this is our group. We're going to go ahead and insert a chat and let you guys know our name and what class this is for. Yeah, let's go ahead and let's show her that we know how to add the reactions, that we know all of those are. I'm going to put the laughing face because this is funny. Alrighty. All right. Ta-da! And Bradley, you can go ahead and start us off. I'm going to give you the pleasure of starting us off. Yes. Yep, go ahead and share the screen. Yep, I gotta approve it. Oh gosh. Um, right. Where would it let me approve it for you? Did you already? Oh, multi participants. Okay, go ahead. Go ahead and see the list. Yes. Alrighty. All right. That was wonderful. That was wonderful. Since you guys have like the same topic, I'm gonna go ahead and go in the middle, and then Brandon, you're gonna go ahead and close us off for this presentation. All right. So can you guys see it? Okay, I just wanted to make sure. Alrighty, so my presentation is on the Wuhan coronavirus, as we know today, COVID-19. Um, this presentation actually took place at the end of the semester last year, and this was this Wuhan virus is supposedly it came from China due to someone eating bats. Um, we never would have thought that, but here we are. So the type of coronavirus that's been seen is being seen as well was seen as a current threat now due to all of the wonderful doctors that we do have. They have finally found a vaccine that people believe is safe. Um, my beliefs are not to be discussed, but yes, proven to be safe. The coronavirus is zootonic, which means that it can be transmitted through animals and humans. It came from, as I said, Wuhan, China. Um, and the markets in Wuhan, they're known not to clean the animals that they sell very good. So where we believe that the bat was not cleaned as it was supposed to before being sold to the farmers markets, and that's how we believe the coronavirus was transmitted from animal to humans. The clinical symptoms of the Wuhan coronavirus are fevers, cough, shortness of breath, diarrhea, um, and some more severe cases, it's a high fever. You'll have symptoms of pneumonia. Your kidney might fail, and lastly, death. You can die from the coronavirus. There's been millions of deaths within 2019, 2020 of the coronavirus. Mm. This outbreaking was so alarming because we didn't know what this was. We didn't know what it was, how we were going to treat it. We didn't know. We only saw people dying from it, so we were very concerned and worried about what our next step was before we had even got the vaccine. General facts. This is a virus, so antibiotics cannot kill this virus because antibiotics only work for bacteria. For as of this PowerPoint, there were no treatments, but as of now, we do have the vaccines out. The only thing that they were able to do back then were to just treat the symptoms as cold-like flu symptoms, and then the death rate was at 2%, but now, of my knowledge, the death rate was at 87.3% in the last year. So that's very bad. A lot of people were dying, but then, so that was just some recap, just some true or false recaps, but that is all I have for my presentation of the coronavirus. Alrighty, and Brandon, you can go ahead and finish us off. Mhm. Alrighty, and that is all for our presentation of our PowerPoints, and we are done. Thank you.